Hey everybody. So today we are going to take a look at a JoyRoom battery. 10,000 milliamp hour. Most likely that is at 3.7 volts. So, 8,000 once it's up converted. But it does say 22.5 watts. Is that watt hours? Who knows? Oh, there's the rating. 6,000 milliamp hours at 5 volts. So, yeah. Weighs 245 grams, and it can pretty much do all of the charging speeds. 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt at varying amperages. Alright, let's open it up. I've got the bottom tape. Come on, there we go. So, wife was needing a new battery, so she picked out this one. Little Manuel with a QR code on it. What the hell is that for? More information. Scan that. I don't need to. We have a little felt baggie and a battery. Come out of the plastic. So one nice thing with this is it has USB-C in, USB-A out. Oh, this is C in and out. But it also has an AC plug built into it. So you just into the wall or into a charger, which is kind of cool. And it has your most common cables built into it already. So you've got micro B, USB-C, if it ever fucking comes out, thunder, lightning, that's it, lightning, iPhone, built into it. So that's kind of cute, depending on, how long they last. Once they break, that might suck, but till then, let's see, I need a thing to plug in. Let's power a power bank with a power bank. So that way I can read the screen, see what it looks like. Well, that's it. Just a big percentage. No what it's charging at, no nothing. Alright. Hold on. Went and grabbed a USB-C cable to see if it said, how fast it was charging. It does not. It just has the percentage and it flashes letting you know it is charging. So, quite simple display, but it works. And it has a button on the side, probably just to, check the, I don't know. Oh, yeah, just turns the display on. All right. I forgot to do an outro for the JoyRoom battery. I think it's going to do fine for what my wife wants. I do like that it has the AC plug adapter. And yeah, I'll make a video, I don't know, 6 months, a year from now, talking about, if it still works and how it's been for her. So anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.